Hey there, it's Ashley from WTI, and I have my favorite new pair of sneakers. These are the Skechers Deluxe Walkers. They are an air-cooled memory foam insert here. And as you can see, the sole of this is really thick and they are so comfortable. I was on the lookout for a new pair of sneakers because I'm on my feet a lot for my job, and by the end of the day, my feet were really getting fatigued, and so I went on the hunt for a great sneaker. And I have tried on so many in stores. I've tried on some online and had to return because they just weren't comfortable enough. And what I have found with the Skechers Deluxe Walkers is that they are supportive as well, as it does not show dirt as easily, and I don't have to worry about cleaning these as often. You'll see here that it has little holes in the front, and this really allows a lot of air to come through so your feet do not get hot. Now, I'm not a runner. I don't know how these would do running. I have not tried them out for that. But for walking long distances, being on your feet all day, these I would highly recommend. I have not found a more comfortable sneaker, and believe me, I have tried on a lot. So I think that you are going to agree with me and really love these as well, but that is just my point of view.